Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. So at first, just go to the Microsoft Teams app. Now in the app, here you can see the third option is Meet Later. Click on it. After clicking it, the very first thing you can see is event name. You can name the event anything you want. Here you can see all day option here. By clicking it, the meeting will be all day. But with my current team plans, I can get only 60 minutes per meeting. And here you can see by clicking here, I can set the date of the event, any date I want. And by clicking here, I can set the time when the meeting starts. And by clicking here, the end of the meeting date, I can set it. And by clicking here, I can set the end of the meeting time. And here you can see repeat option here. By clicking here, I can set the meeting for repeating, like every hour, every month, every week, every day. I can also set the location of the meeting here by putting a location. And in the last option here, description, I can put a description of the meeting. And after that, just clicking on the top right option here, this icon, the meeting will be created. So guys, that's how you can schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.